Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today we will be going to discuss what is section 194C under Income Tax Act, that is TDS on contract payments. So first of all, in the real life we will see many cases of deduction under 194C, that is contract payments. So we have many doubts regarding the applicability of section 194C and what is the rate of TDS and on which value shall it be applied. So for all your queries, this video is the solution. Without further waiting, let's jump to the today's topic. So 194C TDS on contract payments, for whom it applies. It applies for where the contractor is individual or HUF and he is liable for tax audit. So for whom it is liable for tax audit means 44AB. In the 44AB section of the Income Tax Act, tax audit applies to whom the turnover in the preceding financial year has exceeded rupees 1 crore. So in simple, for contractor of individual or HUF, his previous year turnover has exceeded rupees 1 crore, then TDS under section 194C will apply. For others, no such limit has been specified. So for others, even single rupee payment has also TDS shall be applicable. Coming to rate of TDS, if the contractor is individual or HUF, the rate of TDS shall be 1%, and if the contractor is others, the rate of TDS shall be 2%. So next, coming to payee. The payee, the person who is receiving the amount, must and should be a resident. In other words, payee shall not be a non-resident. Coming to limit. Limit is 30,000 per payment and 1 lakh per financial year. If the payment has been made for more than 30,000, TDS shall be applicable, and if the the payment has been made for more than 1 lakh per financial year, TDS shall be applicable. And generally these limits can be easily identifiable because purchase orders and work orders has been issued for full year or part of the year. Therefore, based on this, we can estimate the total payment to be made in a financial year to the respective person. So we can estimate whether TDS shall be deductible or not. And coming to next point, if the contract is for personal purpose of individual or HUF, TDS shall not be deductible. For example, an individual has purchased some cloth and has been given for tailoring purpose. Then TDS shall not be applicable because this is for personal purpose. Suppose individual is replaced by a company and same cloth has been purchased and same tailoring service has been taken. Tailoring service has been taken for security uniform because company has been taken tailoring service for uniform of their security personnel. Then in this case TDS shall be applicable. This is contract. Here TDS shall be applicable. And next, if the contractor is engaged in the transportation business and he does not own more than 10 vehicles at any time during the previous financial year and has furnished some declarations, then TDS shall not be applicable. Yeah, this ends the section 194C. Fatafat revise. So for whom it applies, if the contractor is individual or HUF and his previous year the turnover is more than 1 crore, and for others no such limit has been given. And coming to rate of TDS, the contractor is individual or HUF, rate of TDS shall be 1%, and if the contractor is others, rate of TDS shall be 2%. The payee, the person who is receiving the amount, must and should be a resident. He should not be a non-resident, and the limit is 30,000 per payment and rupees 1 lakh per year. If the payment is more than 30,000 per payment and more than 1 lakh per year, TDS shall be applicable. And coming to next one, if the contract is taken for personal purpose of individual or HUF, TDS shall not be applicable. And if the contractor is engaged in the transportation business, he does not own more than 10 vehicles and has furnished some declarations, then also TDS shall not be applicable. This ends the video and hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more interesting topics. Thank you. Thanks for watching.